The Anglo-Saxon period, spanning roughly from the 5th to the 11th centuries, marks a crucial era in the development of English language and literature. This period witnessed the birth of a rich literary tradition, blending oral storytelling with Christian influences brought by missionaries. It was a time of epic poems, heroic tales, and religious writings that laid the foundation for the future of English literature. The Anglo-Saxons, with their love for language and storytelling, left behind a treasure trove of literary works that continue to captivate and inspire us today. From the rugged landscapes of their homeland, these early English people wove tales of bravery, loyalty, and the struggle between good and evil. These stories, often told in the form of poems and songs, were passed down orally from generation to generation. With the arrival of Christianity, a new layer of religious themes and imagery was added to the existing tapestry of Anglo-Saxon literature. This fusion of pagan and Christian elements created a unique and fascinating literary landscape. One of the earliest known Anglo-Saxon poets, Caedmon, is a testament to the power of divine inspiration in early English literature. A humble herdsman with no prior experience in poetry, Caedmon was said to have received the gift of song in a dream. According to Bede, a prominent Anglo-Saxon historian, an angel appeared to Caedmon and commanded him to sing. Overwhelmed by the experience, Caedmon initially resisted, but the angel persisted, and Caedmon eventually found his voice. What poured forth from Caedmon's lips was nothing short of miraculous, a beautiful hymn praising God and his creation. This hymn, known as Caedmon's Hymn, is considered one of the oldest surviving works of English literature. Its simple yet powerful language, praising God as the creator of heaven and earth, marked the beginning of a new era in Anglo-Saxon literature, where Christian themes began to take root and flourish. Caedmon's story became a testament to the belief that poetry could be a gift from God, inspiring generations of poets to come. Cynewulf, another prominent figure in early English literature, is known for his masterful blending of Christian themes with traditional Anglo-Saxon verse forms. Unlike Caedmon, whose poetry was divinely inspired, Cynewulf was a learned poet who skillfully incorporated biblical narratives and Christian allegory into his works. His poems, often characterized by their vivid imagery and emotional depth, reflect the fusion of pagan and Christian beliefs that characterized the Anglo-Saxon era. Among his most celebrated works are the Fates of the Apostles, Juliana, Elaine, and Christ II. These poems, often referred to as the Cynewulf canon, showcase his profound understanding of both Christian doctrine and Anglo-Saxon poetic traditions. Cynewulf's ability to seamlessly weave together elements of both worlds cemented his place as a pivotal figure in the development of religious poetry in English literature. His work served as a bridge between the pagan past and the Christian present, paving the way for future generations of poets to explore religious themes in their writing. Section 4. Bede, the father of English history. While Caedmon and Cynewulf enriched the world of Anglo-Saxon poetry, Bede, a monk and scholar, made invaluable contributions to the realms of history and theology. Known as the father of English history, Bede's most celebrated work is the Historia Ecclesiastica Gentis Anglorum, Ecclesiastical History of the English People. This monumental work, completed in 731 AD, chronicles the history of the English people from the Roman invasion to his own time. Bede's Historia Ecclesiastica is not merely a dry recounting of historical events, it is a richly detailed and engaging narrative that brings the past to life. Through vivid anecdotes, insightful character sketches, and a clear prose style, Bede provides invaluable insights into the political, social, and religious landscape of Anglo-Saxon England. His work remains an indispensable source for understanding this pivotal period in English history, shaping our understanding of the Anglo-Saxon world. Section 5. King Alfred, a patron of learning and literature. Beyond his role as a warrior king, Alfred the Great was a fervent advocate for education and literacy. Recognizing the importance of knowledge and learning, Alfred established schools, promoted the use of the English language, and commissioned the translation of important Latin texts into Old English. His reign marked a period of renewed intellectual and cultural growth in Anglo-Saxon England, fostering a climate where literature could thrive. Alfred's own translations, including works by Bede, Boethius, and Augustine of Hippo, made these important texts accessible to a wider audience. By promoting the use of English as a language of learning and literature, Alfred helped to lay the foundation for the development of a distinct English literary tradition. His reign stands as a testament to the power of a single individual to shape the cultural landscape of a nation. Section 6. The Rise of Written Literature. Aldhelm and Wulfstan. As the Anglo-Saxon period progressed, there was a gradual shift from oral to written tradition. Aldhelm, a bishop and scholar, played a significant role in this transition. Known for his erudition and mastery of Latin, Aldhelm encouraged the use of written language and composed works in both Latin and Old English. His writings, often characterized by their complex wordplay and rhetorical flourishes, demonstrate the growing sophistication of Anglo-Saxon literature. Another prominent figure in late Anglo-Saxon literature is Wulfstan, Archbishop of York. Known for his powerful sermons, Wulfstan wrote in a highly rhetorical and emotive style, often employing alliteration and other literary devices to convey his message. His sermons, which addressed a wide range of social, moral, and religious issues, provide valuable insights into the concerns and anxieties of the late Anglo-Saxon period. Section 7. Enduring Legacy, from Beowulf to Modern Times. The Anglo-Saxon period, though often overlooked, left an indelible mark on English literature. The epic poem Beowulf, though its authorship remains a mystery, stands as a towering achievement of Anglo-Saxon literature. This tale of a heroic warrior battling monstrous creatures continues to captivate readers with its vivid imagery, timeless themes, and masterful use of language. It serves as a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the human fascination with tales of courage, loyalty, and the battle between good and evil. The legacy of the Anglo-Saxon writers extends far beyond the pages of their works. They laid the foundation for the English language, shaping its vocabulary, grammar, and literary traditions. Their influence can be seen in the works of countless writers who followed, from Chaucer to Shakespeare to Tolkien. The themes they explored, heroism, loyalty, faith, and the human condition, continue to resonate with readers today, proving that the stories of the Anglo-Saxon era still have much to teach us about ourselves and the world around us.